Morning children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 2, human body, the skeletal system. Now in this lesson today I am going to explain you about the skeletal system. What is actually the skeletal system? Now we know that different organ systems work in coordination to perform various activities of the human body. Now you should know what is an organ system. Actually, a group of organs that work together to perform a particular task or to perform a particular work, okay, or to perform a particular function forms an organ system. Now, one such organ system is the skeletal system that works in coordination with muscular system to bring about different body movements. Now, you see the skeletal system, the skeleton. We all have skeleton inside our body, but that works in coordination with the muscular system. Actually, that works along with the muscles of our body to bring about different body movements. We move, we run, we walk, we play. All these things we are doing in coordination with the skeletal system, okay? Along with the muscular system. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones. Now here I am going to give you some information about our skeletal system we have in our body. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serves many important functions of our body. Okay, it provides support to our body, it provides a particular shape to our body and strength. Because of this skeletal system along with this muscular system, our body is standing, we are sitting, we are moving, and they protect our internal organs also. Bones along with the attached muscles allow different body movements like walking, running, writing and holding. Now you see, we are talking about the skeletal system. Now the human skeletal system is the internal framework, you can say, or the rigid framework, you can say internal framework, because it is inside our body. So it is internal framework of the human body. It is composed of 270 bones at birth. When you are born, at that time we have 270 bones in our body. Every newborn, they have 270 bones in their body. This total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood. When you grow big, that is adulthood, when you are 20 to 21 years old, you are a grown-up adult. Whether you are a boy or you are a girl, at that time, the bones, number of bones from 270 decreases to 206. Okay? After some bones get fused together, some bones they join together inside the body, okay? The bone mass in the skeleton reaches maximum density around age 21. So just now I mentioned that around the age of 20-21, by the age of 21, the bone mass in the skeleton reaches maximum. The weight, the mass is actually the weight. It reaches maximum density around this age, around the age of 21, okay? Now the skeletal system is also called the musculoskeletal system. You should know this, the skeletal system, the skeletal system is also called musculoskeletal system. Okay, the skeletal system is also called musculoskeletal system. Now you see children, so just now I mentioned you about 206 bones in our body. There are 206 bones in an adult human being. The framework of all the bones together is known as skeleton. So two important things we have learnt now about the skeletal system and what is skeleton. The framework of all the bones together. Together, the framework of all the bones is known as skeleton. Okay, now in my next class I shall teach you about the structure, functions and care of major bones, the joints and the muscles. Okay children, so in today's class you learnt about skeletal system and skeleton. You please revise this. Thank you.